gonna take a break from the Tacoma project to show you the new Tacoma I just got. Well, it's not new, it's new to me. It's a 2001 extended cab, 4-cylinder, 5-speed, like base model pretty much, which is kind of a desirable truck, so I figured I'd buy it, and I didn't really go look at it, I just bought it. But look at this thing. This is a prime example of how not to fix rust on a Tacoma. Just look at how far off the bed was. I think what happened here was someone probably pulled the bed off and started welding. They probably had it on a lift or something, or jacked up, and they welded it crooked. But that's not even the worst part, because they also welded the leaf spring hangers back on at the front here. These are leaf spring mounts. They welded these on back too far, and look at the wheel. It's like pushed all the way back. And look at the hangers back here. Oh my god. This thing must ride like shit. Like, for real.
Hey, I wonder if that's why they flipped that last leaf under there. Look at the last leaf.
Yes, I'll bet they did.
They flipped it because it rode like hell.
Yeah, so the other thing I noticed was that these leaves, like the bottom of the bottom leaf is flipped over, which kind of looks like something I would have done for off-roading. But I'll bet you they did do that so it would ride a little better. Jesus Christ. What a fucking joke. So I'm gonna have to cut these back off and probably cut a slice through the frame, jack it back up back there, and then start welding until everything's back straight. Should be a nice truck though when it's done. Should be.
It's in good shape.
It's in good
shape. It's not rusty. The miles are about right.
I paid a lot for it, but
yeah.
Okay. This was from Copart. This was $4 grand plus the fees. So what, 4,500?
46 and change.
So, but I think Blue Book on this truck is still like 8,500, and it's actually probably worth at least that much. It's really clean otherwise. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of people want these bare base model ones because you just can't get these. Like a truck like this, you can't buy it new anymore, so these are pretty desirable. I mean, personally I prefer the V6, but a lot of guys want the 4-cylinder. Look at this bed. Oh my god. Let me back up so you take the whole thing in. Oh, it's bad. It's just so ugly. They did such a piss poor job at this. Still some extra holes that are gonna need fixed too, but that's no big deal. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Look at this leaf spring hanger. That is freaking absurd. Like, what the hell? You know, it doesn't look like they did such a bad job if they would have just had it straight when they welded it.
If they had a better welder.
Yeah, the welds are a little ugly too. Some of them, but... Okay, well...
Oh, you dropped the keys.
Oh, shit.
Can we drive her off the trailer for you?
Yeah, let me crawl under it quick though. I should have brought a flashlight. Yeah, these welds have seen... I mean, have never seen better days. It's a little sloppy under here, but you know, the rest of the truck looks pretty good. Oh, there's some holes that weren't fixed yet, right about there. But it's not too bad. This will be another episode, you guys, but that'll be after I'm done with the Tacoma project. That'll be after I'm done with Tacoma. Maybe I'll make an episode of fixing this thing up. So, yeah, back her off, bro. I mean, drive her off. Sounds good. We have the world's longest trailer here.
No trailer ramps, let's go.
No trailer ramps needed.
No, those springs don't do anything. That hurt.
Oh yeah, oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is a one-owner truck, by the way. That's another reason why I paid so much for it. Yo, Yo, jump on the back and I'll film you. I would do it, but you're way heavier than me, so you get the point across better. Unless you want me to do it, it doesn't matter.
Is the bumper gonna have to stay attached?
I think so. Look at this awesome suspension.
Oh, listen to it.
Jesus Christ.
That's the hangers broken against the frame
Do it.
rail.
What in the
Oh,
fuck?
dude, it hurt my back when it came off.
No, the hangers aren't even moving. They are just smashed right. Oh my God. Like, how the fuck did they weld it on like that? Jesus Christ. All right.
I know a guy. That's the job that happened here. I know a guy.
Oh my God. Okay, well, we'll get her fixed up in another episode. And yeah, still working on the wiring for Tacoma. So don't get your hopes up on that right away, but get it done soon. All right, you guys. Peacing out.